When I get to the court, they're like, okay, fine. You're now here to either have my lawyer or apply for a government lawyer. I'm like, no, definitely I'll apply for the government lawyer. Fine. I pay in court just to say that. After the court, straight to Grootvrye maximum prison.
What?
No more sale. Straight to Grootvrye maximum prison. When I go there, how it was hard. Because these guys inside there, it's like they knew that I'm coming. They even chose me, like, no, this one is mine. They're already fighting for me. In that time...
For what? Fighting for you for what?
They see a wife. They see someone they'll use. They're like, he's mine. And that time, that the jail is very big. And that's a maximum prison, But they already know. They knew that this guy is there. They even say, no, he's coming to our cell. Like, they prepared. Okay, fine. They now take me to juvenile. As soon as I go there, because I'm angry, and at that moment, I feel so powerful in a way that I'll even destroy this building. Like, I don't care about anything, I got angry to a point where I can't even feel my hands. I can't feel anything. Even if they beat me, I wouldn't even feel anything. Fine. But now these guys, they call me Stamra Joes. Those are Sotho guys. Hey, Stamra Joes in command. The bees making noise there. I just look at them. Now I have to introduce myself to the Nduna now, the Passays. And as soon as I see him, I see a small boy. I have to answer on this phone. No, I wouldn't do that.
What do you mean you see a small boy?
I see someone who's small. Without knowing he's the boss. I'm like, now should I answer? I start having this, I can't answer on this boy, man. He's like, you'll suffer, boy. Now let me give you rules. Oh, okay. There are even rules. Okay, I'm listening. It's like here, there are about 4 groups. The 26, 32, Fast Gun, VC, Now I have to choose which group I have to fall into. I'm like, no, I'm not choosing anything. Then it's like, if you don't choose anything, it's either you'll be my wife, you will clean, you will provide me with food. I'm like, I'm not choosing anything. Then we'll see. Me being stubborn made me, made me someone else. I became stubborn, they started fighting over me now. And now at the same time, while they are fighting, they're beating me up. And in a cell, we were about 80. We were so many, close to 100.
In one cell?
In one cell. And there are guys, they are evil guys there, Guys who can just kill for anything. That's when I realized that in jail, there's no this thing of kitla sharp. There's I'll kill you. That's it. It's either you kill me or I'll kill you. Simple. There's no this thing out kitla sharp, and then that's where it ends. Us outside jail, we fight to prove a point. And then they kill to prove a point. That's it. That's jail. Fine. While we fighting there, it's hectic. Here comes the warden, knocking on this gate. Go. Hey, keep quiet. There's another guy now they're bringing in. That guy, as soon as we all saw him, we were like, is this a lesbian? That guy is not handsome, he's beautiful. We thought he's a lesbian. We're like, in my mind, like, now they're bringing a girl in a cell. In a men's cell. There's something wrong. I found out this guy is a guy like me, and he's from Gauteng as well. So now, because I've got about 30 minutes in the cell since I arrived, and he just got in, I'm like, let me scheme him, let me be his friend. Then I started talking to him like, bro, yeah, it's hectic. I've got about 30 minutes here now. And look how I look. They beat me up because they're now fighting over me. They want me this left and right. And I can't take it. Like, no, bro, you know what, ne? Let's be a team. Like, but you look soft, bro. Can you even make a fist and fight? And like, yeah, bro. It's hectic here. Like, I will see. But now, because now I'm speaking with this guy, they don't like it. They think I just came in, I'm taking their wife. Already. I don't even have an hour, but now I'm like, no. Do you not realizing that me and this boy, we're from Gauteng, and our case, it's the same. It's fraud. Anyone who's from Gauteng, it's either rape or fraud. That's it. No other thing. Okay. I'm like, bro, here you need to be strong. Like, yeah, I hear you. I don't know what happened. There was a group that is fighting, and then now while they're busy fighting, it's getting busy. I lost this guy. I don't know where. I can't even see him. All to find out, this boy fell down. The minute when he fell down, they pulled that bed. Those bed. Hey, it's hippie. I sent it all that bed said. They pull it, lift it up, and leave it. One leg hit here, straight on that boy. Blood sprayed. I spray that blood. It's like moment of silence. Because immediately by Hoada, by Tluhel, had a bah, was spray amadi. Juana silent muting. I just saw him shaking, Utlawana basaka koko. Yeah, he was doing like that. Why did like you, bro? He died instantly. On a spot, like there was nothing, like silent. And from there now, after a few minutes, from 10 to 12 minutes, but treated that bed to shul anyway. But actually, it's a banter that body bed to then then that guy, when he came, is like, what happened? Who killed him? No one answered. No one. And that time my heart is boiling. I feel like saying, but I can't. Because then I might be killed as well. It's like I 10 times. Okay, fine. Situpse ba about forensic. Ba check, ba kwala that boy. Ba etsa malion. Then this one of the guys who clean him idea almost. Fine, the guy did that. Then this Ngamla, this small boy here in Canada, like you see now, you need to choose. I'm like, oh, bro, I don't want to choose. Like, you will suffer. Kampaka suffer. So now I don't have a bed, I don't have a place to sleep. They give me this stinking blanket for now, and that in young cow man, it's smelling, not ew. It's too much. But anyway, I have to see and it's cold. But now, when you sleep, you can't sleep fully because anything is possible. I only 10 o'clock hotima the light. When you don't care hotima the light. Get 10, and then I yalo on this other song by insang. But Mama Dineo. And when that song comes out, there's a mission it's either more repiwa or more blave. Mission. If not, the group dalwan. So I return to the lights. Could see what this Lord Nyan say bakwala the window. Go feel about the kwala the windows. Sorry. But the kwala. Then from home, Hopelua this song, and then that's when I realized, no man. Honalu one is either like this other side wa blue. Bamula like totally bamula, and then banwa ecstasy. Ecstasy lasts about 24 hours. Boarding. So abayi no riding. Ba bola and then ba go chopa di piece. O tla bona ba tsa plastic e black ba tsenya you whatever ba ntsha mo plasticing ba go flash. Ba tlisa plastic ba go chopa. Those guys, they'll work until 5 a.m. in the morning. They'll chop you ba go flash until na marapa white. Then you just break it. But some plasticing I don't know. That's it. Kausani morning ka 4 ba father ba tsena ra countiwa, you know, ra countiwa. They saw, let's say we were for an age, let's say we were 20, we're now 19. I will not number it. They will ask, whoa, one will kai? We don't know. But you were there, you are even scared to say money or kibo mang because you know when I will follow. Into every day. Fine. Have fetsa county you are wela go selling and then hwa clean. Now because I didn't provide any cigarette or any food, I cannot anything. I don't even have visitors. I get shigish about 2 hours from this point to this point. Then get toma kwa kibela mrago ke shigisha. And liteng a shigisha ka mokgomong yana. The same thing. 1 or 2 hours. Then tla go bolela re done. As soon as you done, kina ke go ja motogo ke 9. Fine. Wa go ja motogo. Liteng sometimes I go ja ntso ja mo ba go tsela plate. But my first day in advance that motogo I didn't eat. Ke 9. I was supposed to ke ja motogo ke for a day. Fine. Ke bola selling a ka ja. After selling kwa after re etsa go ja bola morago, and then it becomes visiting hours. I remain alone mo selling. I kina visitor. Family ake mo Gauteng, I cannot show me that side. I cannot anyone that I know. O tla bona ba tswa the visitor time it's out sharp. They now coming back. Aba fitla they now like breaking or you know go tle di kwai tse kae matekwana, you know, for them to survive motonko, even some money. But now I've got nothing. Now this ngamla wamputsa, or what do I have to offer? I've got nothing. What the plug boy.